Hello, this is Electric Bros. I'm the one that made up the name. And I'm technically I'm technically supposed to be riding out here, but I wanted to videotape. Yeah, should we get closer though? Yeah, we should. Right there. Woo! Sick, Easton! Know about rolling down in the deep when you rain go no in the element to freeze when the people talk too much but I think it's slow. Yeah, I feel astronaut in the ocean. Hey Pierce, what's wrong? Pierce, what happened? Did we get a new battery? Oh, what you know about Okay guys, let's check it. Check if there's a new battery. Yeah, there's a new battery.
You got the video one?
I'm videotaping.
Just pause it.
No, you can't pause in this.
Yeah.
Then you hold the camera. Actually, no, I'll just do this. Oh. Go, Easton. Know about rolling down. This is very good footage.
Then I see a relay?
Yep. Wait, let me zoom out. Let me zoom out. Zoomed out. Now, Papa Weedy. Zoom in. Zoomed in. We're all zoomed in. Go, Pierce. Follow it, Pierce. There he is. The batteries are dead?
Yep.
All of them? Oh, jeez.
That battery back?
Can you a battery? Okay. Guys, there's going on.
Can I use that battery in your
This-
station?
this-
There's a video one.
Dude, the battery from it?
Yeah, can I use that?
Yeah, you can use it.
Can you pause the video? I need to take off my helmet. Pause it.
I don't know how to take that off.
No, can you pause the video? I need to take off my helmet.
I won't get you on camera, okay? Oh. He's coming in hot! He's coming in hot. 4 minutes. A 4-minute video. We've been videotaping. What you know about rolling down in deep when the brain goes when the elemental freezing? People talk too much, but I think in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an acid in the ocean. Oh geez, sand is in my eyes. Hey Pierce, can you hold the camera for a second? I just got sand in my eyes. Guys, we should end the video. No, we gotta say the ending. Hey, Ethan, stop right here. Stop. Guys, hey, you should say it. Okay. Oh no, you're not supposed to reveal your face. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the big thumbs up. Bye.